Intramuscular injections. What do you need to know? Ever wondered how they work? An intramuscular or IM injection delivers medication deep into your muscles. This allows it to be absorbed into the bloodstream quickly and effectively. Common spots for these shots include the shoulder's deltoid muscle, the hip, and the thigh. They're used for a lot of important things, like many vaccines that protect us from diseases, certain types of hormone therapy, and powerful antibiotics to fight infections. But here's the most crucial part: safety first. IM injections should only be given by trained healthcare professionals. They know how to ensure everything is sterile and administered correctly. As a patient, your job is simple. Try to relax the muscle and hold still. IM injections are a vital tool in modern medicine. For any health concerns, always rely on your doctor or nurse for safe administration and trusted advice. Thanks for watching.